Well, here is a version of the schedule we're using now. This schedule is almost identical, but to hit 990, you can only have 20 minutes. So 990 hours of learning, you have to put 20-minute LLB. I moved it to the end just for this model to show you. So this is the schedule we have. 3 minutes passing time. One thing I thought of was if we take every day there's an A period, just switch the A period, force it to the end. So every day there's an A period, and we can change the actual order of the periods in the day, but every time there's an A period, force that A period, force it to the bottom. And that makes easily 3 or 4 days a week students can go to an internship. Now, it's not going to be, you're not going to be in your internships, it's not going to be Monday every week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday every week, but you will get, if you put it here, then you can make Monday A period the period where students leave. And then we still meet every single class the right number, and we hit 990 appropriately. So here's the schedule, here's all the times, you hit 990, A period solid. Period set at the bottom would make it able for students to leave on these days, day 1, day 3, day 3, day 5, and day 6. And that would give more opportunities. Easily 3 days a week, students would be able to do their internship. And on the days they don't have the class, maybe they could even do it those days too. So they actually would be set doing their internship every day during the week. But just A period would never meet up into the regular schedule.